Samsung is taking a different approach with the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and with each passing day, we receive new surprises from Samsung, and here is a new surprise from Samsung about the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Remember I mentioned the release date of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 which has changed and Samsung is going back to where it came from? Yes, Samsung is going to hold an event for Galaxy Z Fold 5 in Seoul, South Korea. And the day will be July 27th, not July 26th, and phones will be available in the market between July 7th and August 11th. But now another big rumor has come out that Samsung is going to have two events for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 launch. The first will be in Seoul, South Korea, as verified by Samsung, and the date for the US will be August 11th. Although today is a typical day for Samsung to launch inexpensive products, it is a little different since everyone who wants to acquire a phone may easily view it before the launch. But it's true, and it'll happen with the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and all of the gadgets, including the Z Flip 5, Tab S9, and Galaxy Buds. We are all anxious about the battery life, since it was previously rumored that the Z Fold 5 will come with a larger battery. However, it all comes with the same 4400 mAh capacity battery. Samsung will also introduce a new display technology that will provide brighter screens than the previous generation, as well as require less battery power. Some folks are still perplexed about the cover display being wider, to which I respond, I know, look at this. Can you spot the difference? Finally, there is no difference between the 4.4 and the 4.5. The hinge on the 4.5 is decreased and looks nicer, but this does not imply that the 4.5 is wider than the 4-4. It will be the same 6.2 inches on the outer display and 7.6 inches on the inner display. This much higher cover display is here for a purpose, maybe for better phone gripping, and when you need a larger display, you can unfold your phone. There is a variety of new improvements for the Galaxy Z Fold 5, including a new improved hinge with the most durability feature, which we all desired for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.